Well, this is the news that is just coming in. DMK working president M.K. Stalin has been arrested. He's been arrested on a day when DMK has called for a statewide bandh. Getting you the visuals as well of the spot where the protests are already started with various opposition parties joining hands in Tamil Nadu. M.K. Stalin, meanwhile, has been arrested in Thiruvarur, is what we're given to understand, as he's called for a statewide bandh in support of Tamil Nadu farmers who were protesting at Jantar Mantar. Though the farmers have called off their protest till May 25th on the assurance of the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, DMK and other opposition parties had joined hands together and they had called for a statewide bandh today. And now you have the DMK working president M.K. Stalin, who's been arrested. He's been taken into custody, but we'll have to wait and watch whether the party workers will also be rounded off by the cops, because security is heightened across the state, where there has been a show of strength by the opposition power. My colleague Pramod and Akshanath are joining us in just a bit. We have now Pramod and Akshanath joining us. Let me go across to Pramod first. Pramod, we see there are protesters around you. M.K. Stalin has been arrested, but no let off, it seems, in the heat from the opposition party. All right, we'll try and connect with Pramod in just a bit, but let me take this question to Akshay as well. Akshay, take us through the situation in Chennai at the moment. Even though M.K. Stalin has been arrested, it's only fueling up the fire in the opposition camp to keep their bandh call going through the day.
Well, Divina, the arrest of working president M.K. Stalin is just the beginning of the heat that we are going to see in the state. We already know that the entire city of Chennai, if I can ask my camera person Daniel to just pan, we can see that most of the shops in these areas are closed. I'm standing at T Nagar, which is one of the most bustling area in Tamil Nadu, and as far as the transportations are concerned, only private vehicles, bikes and cars are running, and also public buses are there, and metro train is also functioning. But as far as private vehicles like share autos and autos, the numbers have come considerably down. And in fact, we were talking to share auto drivers here. They were telling us that they're not going to ply their vehicles, and it needs to be remembered that for most of Chennaiites, share autos is a very important means of transportation. Other than that, most of the shops in and around the areas in T Nagar have been closed and they're completely shut off. And just a few kilometers from here, called Saidapet, is where the main protest in Chennai is going to be held. And all the senior party leaders from DMK, VCK, CPI, CPIM, Congress, all of them will be
with me. Akshay, be with me as you're showing us. Shut us down in Chennai. Be with me, Akshay. Be with me. I want to get in Pramod, because he's through at the spot where the protest is happening. Now, Pramod, M.K. Stalin has been rounded off by the cops, but it seemed that the opposition parties have joined hands together this time down, a fresh headache for the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Take us through what's happening around you. All right, lot of chaos on the ground. My colleague Pramod, who is amidst protesters, and you can see the visuals on the screen as well, that so much of media outturn has been there, and also there has been a lot of protesters from the opposition parties, and it's a show of strength by them at a time where the ruling party is looking at a political chaos. M.K. Stalin, who has been arrested by the cops, he was supposed to meet the party workers and lead the protest this morning, as well as he's called for a statewide bandh. But chaos continues on the ground. We'll try and see if we can get Pramod Madhav back. Yes, the visuals are there. And understandably, it's a situation which is looking very, very challenging at the moment to get through. My colleague Pramod as well in the middle of this chaos, but the visuals speak for themselves, as you have various political parties now standing out and carrying out the statewide bandh. The leadership vacuum which has been seen in the state of Tamil Nadu is quite evident with this. Now you have M.K. Stalin, who's been arrested by the cops, but at the same time you have the party workers of different political outfits of the opposition parties who've decided to come together for this joint march that's taking place in Chennai for the cause of the farmers. Now remember, the Tamil Nadu farmers were protesting in Jantar Mantar for the past 40 days. So the timing of this protest is very crucial as well, because the opposition party has been accused of only a political photo op, of only trying to play vote bank politics, and this time round they're down on the streets. Congress, VCK, DMK all joining hands together. You can see the banners which have been brandished by the party workers. These visuals are the first visuals we're getting from the spot. We'll try and see if I can get my colleague Pramod also, who's reporting from the ground. But what's evident from these visuals is the show of strength by the opposition party, a fresh challenge for the ruling government as well. Because once the DMK gave the call for Band, it was the other opposition parties that came together as well. Let's see if we can hear some sloganeering that's happening on the ground as well, and see if we can get some reactions from the ground. Okay, so we're trying to establish connection with my colleague Pramod, but these are the first visuals that we're getting from the spot as well. Akshaya continues to be with us. Now, Akshaya, it's a fresh challenge. Let's keep the visuals on. And Akshaya, it's a fresh challenge for the Palnisamy camp. Amid some merger talks, one is looking at the opposition party show of strength on the streets of Chennai.
Well, Divina, we are seeing that even though the state and the central government have been repeatedly talking about the subject of farmer crisis, not much action is seen on the ground. We're seeing that more and more farmers are getting into a very bad situation. And in fact, Ayya Kannu, who was protesting at Jantar Mantar for the last 40 days, has also come down to Chennai to be part of this Band that is going on in Tamil Nadu. In fact, he is protesting from a site called Egmore, which is again another prominent location in the city. And also, along with other political parties and outfits that are fighting here, we're seeing that farmers as well as the general public are joining hands. One of the questions that many of the people that I had met today morning were asking is that when the central government is so keen on talking about liquor ban and other factors like that, why not talk about agriculture and the farmer crisis, one of the most crucial situations for the people in general. Without the farmers, a general citizen cannot lead their day-to-day life. Then why leave the farmers in the lurch and not take care of them and understand their crisis is the question that the people are taking up for this ban. In fact, most of the people who are there at Saidapet, where my colleague Pramod is, they've been raising slogans saying that the central and the state government should come and understand what is happening with the farmers. Try to be a part
but Akshay, the point is this. The point is this. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister went to Jantar Mantar in the capital. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister went there. He spoke to the farmers. They've called on this till May 25th. So is this not politics on display by DMK by trying to show they're espousing the farmers' cause? MK Stalin had the window of 40 days. We didn't see the protests. It's around the merger talks that are happening within the AIA DMK camp that we're seeing the show of strength by the opposition parties on the streets of Chennai. So one should read between the political message here as well. My colleague Pramod also getting us this ground report.
To uplift the cause of the farmers, DMK, Congress, VCK, CPM and CPI are protesting in Chennai right now. People of Tamil Nadu is completely with them. That is the reason they are protesting it over here. And now you can see the crowd over here. They are protesting at Saidapet on a hot Tuesday morning, all for the cause of farmers. In Chennai, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
All right, continue tracking the latest from the streets of Chennai.